Hello everybody, it's Terry from Model Car Body Shop, doing a What Did You Buy Wednesday video. I've done one of these, just for whatever reason I don't seem to get that involved in it, but I think it's pretty cool. I watch everybody's, so, but yeah, I just thought it was time to do one. So What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop, and so I'm doing this on Thursday night, Christmas Eve, because I don't know what I'll be doing tomorrow. So we'll do it tonight, and I'll just post it in the morning. So without further ado, this 72 C10 Chevy full-size truck. I haven't, I've had it a while. It wasn't recent that I bought this, but the reason this is relevant is because what I have got recently is the 72 F-Series wrecker tow truck from Mobius. And I ordered this in August, pre-ordered. Just came in a couple of days ago. So, noticing how much larger the box is, how much taller it is than this one. Does anybody notice that? I mean, look at that. And this thing is heavy. So, I haven't opened it, but there's got to be a ton of parts in there, because it's a lot heavier than that one and a lot bigger. Even the box is, well, it's relatively the same size there, but as you can see, much taller. But that's not the only reason I brought this one out of the basement. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build a 72 Chevy tow truck. I'm going to use this wrecker boom, wrecker bed, whatever parts I need from this and this to combine the two to make a Chevrolet. And Joe especially knows that I'm a Ford guy, so why would I do that? In 1977, I owned a 72 C10 440 Homes tow truck. I even went out on dates in it. But so I'm going to build that tow truck. It was red with the white roof. Biggest difference here, and I'll fix that. The one I had the short box, came down here. You could get it either way if you ordered it new. So this kit has the tall one. I'll just modify it. I'll cut it down and make it the short one. Shouldn't be a problem there. So I've planned on doing this for a while. This thing was, this has just been sitting and waiting for this for quite a while, because even before I ordered this in August, it's probably close to a year ago, I saw that they were going to bring this out. So I've really been waiting for it ever since then. First chance I got to order it was in August. So glad to have it. I bought two of them when I bought it. Not sure what I'll do with the other one yet. I may build the other one with the dent side cabin chassis, because finish the story, I guess. When I had this tow truck, at one point I bought a Ford 76 cabin chassis and changed the wrecker boom off of that truck onto the Ford and used that as my tow truck for a while. I sold the Chevy cabin chassis to my girlfriend's dad, girlfriend at the time, wife eventually. Dad had a a business that he used short bed, flat bed trucks. So I sold him the truck. By the way, that truck had a 375 horse 327 in it. Quite the engine. So yeah, I may take the other one and build a letter model Ford using the dent side. I would probably buy the Firestone truck. I don't have that truck. Probably buy that for the cab to do that. Shouldn't be a lot of changing. Could use the same frame and everything, I'm sure. But I don't know. That's down the road. Mainly wanted to kind of go over this on what did you buy Wednesday. Excited to get the tow truck. Also got my 426 Hemi for my Dodge Dart USAC build. All of it came in yesterday. A little disappointed. I got that from Texas 3D Customs. The detail is awesome on this thing, but the oil pan come in with the front edge of it chipped off, and one of the heads, valve covers, not this one, the left side, one of the spark plug boots is broke off. So that's disappointing. It seemed to be wrapped really well and boxed well. Don't know if it just shipped out that way or what, but there was no chip from that in the packaging. If there was, I could have probably just glued it on and went on. So I will get a hold of them whenever they're back open, probably next Monday or so, and see if they can make it right, take care of it for me. And I'll let you guys know how that turned out. But the main reason I bought this one was it's got the street headers. I checked MCV and Iceman Collections, a couple other, they all had racing headers, nothing that I could attach an exhaust system to. So that's what I wanted to do with this one, was actually be able to connect the exhaust to it. So that's why I bought this one. And like I said, the detail is there, but just got a couple of little issues. And hopefully they'll take care of that, and we'll get that thing built eventually anyway. So other than that, I don't think I have anything else as far as what I bought. Got the 390 for the Mustang pretty much ready to go in. And I'll let you guys go. I'll get this posted for Christmas morning, and y'all have a great Christmas and enjoy the time with your family. Until next time, see ya.